Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chris. My Instagram is chrishanxoxo. I share fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content on Instagram and YouTube. To get updates from my channel, please consider subscribing, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I have been sharing fashion and beauty content on this channel for a while, and I feel like I want to bring in more lifestyle and wellness products that I tried and loved with you guys. So for today's video, my March favorites, I want to share with you guys some of the beauty products and wellness products that I recently tried and fell in love. But one of the products is a restock. I've been loving using it for a while, so keep watching. You will see a lot of organic, natural ingredients and cruelty-free products because I'm such a big fan of natural products, and I hope you like it. So the first favorite product for March is Dr. Bronner's hand sanitizer. This is an organic lavender flavored sanitizer. I usually don't like any sanitizing products with fragrance or scents, but this lavender scent is so subtle because it's organic and clean, and I feel safe to use on my hands, to touch my face or hair or body. So this one is really nice. It's a really simple formula. It's just alcohol, water, and organic lavender oil, but it does the job. It kills germs by up to 99.9%. It's just such a simple and nice, natural, safe product to use for your family and yourself. And the price is good too. It's $4.99. You can get it at Target. So basically, wash your hands, sanitize the frequently touched surfaces, and keep your room clean and sanitized. Use vegan, organic products if you can. I think this is the least we can do to protect ourselves. So the second product for March is this natural vaginal cream from NeuEve. Vaginal discomfort can be very common and so frustrating for a lot of us, and the dryness, itchiness sometimes is killing us. I mean, for a lot of women and their partners, it's such a pain. Vaginal discomfort can be caused by a lot of common things in our lives, such as sitting here for too long, not drinking enough water, or just, sex life. And NeuEve has amazing products to solve the problem, and this cream is my favorite. This formula from NeuEve, this vaginal cream, uses all vegan, organic, safe ingredients such as palm oil and coconut oil, so I feel like it's 100% safe to use. I sometimes had spasm, muscle spasm down there, and sometimes dryness. I don't know why, but this cream really helped me to improve this condition. After a couple uses, the discomfort just went away. And I'm so glad that I found this cream, and it's really a game changer. And of course, I highly recommend it. I share the link down below in the description box if you are also looking for something like this to help you with your intimate area, and this will be a nice try. The third product for March is a fragrance. It's from Skylar. This one is amazing. It's vegan, organic, and cruelty-free. It's very rare for a fragrance brand to do vegan, and organic. I feel like I've been looking for a clean fragrance for so long, and this scent is amazing too. And my favorite is called Salt Air. This salt air smells like ocean breeze, and it's like my clean linen. For this month, a lot of us are staying at home. I tend to not use very strong, very dramatic scent because I just need some entertainment for myself. I need something light and delightful. So Skylar, this clean fragrance, Salt Air, is my favorite. It's creating a very peaceful and pleasant ambience in my room. I spray a little bit on my clothes and on my linen and just everywhere on my body because it's clean. I feel like it's very safe to use. This is my favorite for March. So the next favorite product from March is a tinted moisturizer. This one is from Tarte. It's their new maracuja tinted hydrator. My shade is 13N, fair light neutral. This is the one that I'm using right now, and I don't have to use a lot of foundation because I feel like when my skin is good, tinted moisturizer is the best. It's just a very sheer layer of color. That's enough for the day. This moisturizer gives me a good 12-hour moisture and hydration and coverage. Of course, it's very sheer coverage. I don't feel anything on my face. I usually use this tinted moisturizer follow up with like a little bit powder or concealer, no foundation at all. But you can still layer your foundation if you want. Because the texture is very beautiful and blendable, I can just apply it with my fingers. It's gonna be very even without a brush, but you can use a brush if you like. The nice thing about this moisturizer, it has 20 different shades. You can easily match your own shade. Like a lot of tinted moisturizer from other brands, I feel like they only have 5 or maybe 8 different shades. Since it's sheer coverage, a lot of them they don't do a full line of different shades. For this one, from Tarte, you can easily find your own shade. This collection also has a lip oil, face oil, concealer, and setting mist. I will incorporate more products from this line in my next makeup video. Another newly launched product that I tried and really loved is from Yensa Beauty. It's Super 8 lip oil. I'm using one of the shades. This product is launched in March to support International Women's Day. Enca is donating its 100% profit from this product to a foundation called Dress for Success to support women in need. So for the product, it's really nice. It has great pigmentation. I mean, for a lot of oil products, they are very rich, very moisturizing, but sometimes they can be very sticky and very hard to control. But for this product, after one layer of color, and I feel like it really stays and it's highly pigmented. Maybe one layer is enough. Sometimes I feel like oils can go like everywhere, can be easily smudged, but it's not happening in this product. It keeps my lips hydrated all day and the color stays for so long. For the ingredients, this oil uses all natural, like 8 super fruits, coconut oil, vitamin E oil, and a lot of other natural oils. Yensa makes the colors like very powerful, very like statement. They're mostly red, different shades of red, but I wish they could do more nude shades so that I can wear this lip oil like every day. But overall, I'm so happy with this lip oil. It's better than other lip oils that I've tried, and this is definitely a keeper. In March, I feel like I shopped a lot of home items. Maybe I stay home for longer. I really want to improve everything. So one of the things that I did in March is I restocked my pillowcases. So this is my favorite. It's a old pillowcases from Slip. So Slip silk, 100% silk pillowcases is my favorite for March. This is actually a year old. After so many times of washes, this pillowcase is still very soft. It feels like it's maybe a little bit discolorated, but the texture is as good as new. Slip uses 100% long fiber mulberry silk. It's such a long name, but it means it's very natural and it's high quality and it's also durable. It's very soft to your skin, and you don't get those like sleep wrinkles, sleep crease, or like bad sleep head, which means maybe after 8 hours of sleep, you don't get those wrinkles on your face, and your blow dry can stay for one more day. It's nicer for your hair, for your skin, and of course for your health. And this silk material is really good for anti-aging and anti-crease. I mean, after 8 hours of sleep, sometimes I feel like I have wrinkles, my hair goes really messy, and with this pillowcase it's not gonna happen because it reduces a lot of, it's so soft and silky, it reduces the friction to your face, to your skin, and to your hair, and gives like less pressure to your head and face. So with the pillowcase, since it's so gentle to the face and hair, my blowout and my curls can stay longer. I really enjoy the Beauty Sleep with slip pillowcases. I ordered a new one, in a new set for my husband and myself in March. I'm still waiting for the shipment. I'm super excited. The last product I recommend for March is Aneesa Beauty's brush cleaning set. This is a gel, it's like a cleanser for both face and brushes, and this is the cleaning pad. It has nice textures to remove all the dirt off the brush when you rinse it with this gel. In my previous getting ready and makeup videos, I used Aneesa Beauty's powder brushes and other brush set a couple of times. I really enjoyed everything from this brand, and this new cleaning kit is just amazing. They keep my brushes very clean and fresh. I feel like they're like new again. Previously I tried soap and just water, and with my bare hands it takes so long to clean 10 brushes, I would say, and this makes my life a lot more easier. Now with Aneesa Beauty's cleaning kit, I feel like I want to do the brush cleaning regularly to keep my skin clean and healthy. This kit just cleans my brushes so effectively and efficiently. I used to use only soap and water and just my hands to clean brushes. It takes so long and the brushes are not as clean. But with this kit, my brushes are like back to new, you know. It's like new and soft and so fresh. And they're like back to life. All my brushes, oh my god, those old brushes, this is lifesaver, and I definitely recommend this set for everyone. If you use makeup regularly, just keep your brushes clean. And I decided to do it regularly, not just, you know, a seasonal thing. I want to do it maybe twice a week just to keep everything clean. I think clean brush is so important to the skin. I want to just incorporate in this kit into my routine. These are all the products that I really enjoyed in March, and I hope you guys find something that you like. And I will continue to try vegan, natural, and good products this season. I'll keep you guys updated if I find anything interesting. To get updates from this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I'm also available on Instagram at chrishanxoxo. If you have any questions, you can DM me or leave a comment down below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!